Ever wondered how small scale economies impact your investments? Or how global economic trends shape your financial future? Today, we are diving deep into microeconomy versus macroeconomy and how understanding the difference can unlock smarter investment strategies. Guiding us through is financial expert Mr. Hariharan. Hariharan, over to you.
There are two elements to economics. One is microeconomics, the other is the macroeconomics. While we will get into macroeconomics in a bit, but let us quickly also look at, does economics really affect us as individuals? The answer is yes. So we have microeconomics, which is a branch of economics which looks at the individual level of the economy. Okay? And essentially talks about how does you and I and households make decisions, when it comes to allocating resources. So essentially, what we are doing is essentially using that bit of microeconomics. We are looking at how to make those decisions. What we are in a way doing is we are in a way using some of the bits of economics in our own personal life. And if you were to extrapolate this to most decisions that you and I take at an household level, you will realize that we are in a way managing household, isn't it? And that is where the element and the branch of microeconomics comes into play. Macroeconomics, on the other hand, has to do with a more global level. It is more at a national level. So it focuses on the overall economy. And therefore, you look at some of the indicators like inflation, GDP, unemployment, so on and so forth. So when we look at macroeconomics, it is important to look at some of these indicators. What do I mean by indicators? These are things. So, for example, how do we come to know that we have got a fever? So we use a thermometer, right? So we use a thermometer and figure out that if the temperature is about, say, 100, then we say that there's fever. If it's 102, 103, then we say it's very high fever. While we can physically touch and also realize that we have got fever or not, but thermometer gives us an indication of what is the temperature of the body, right? So similarly, these macroeconomic indicators give us a picture of what is happening in the economy, because you and I, in our own busy schedule, may not be able to visualize and interpret a lot of things that are happening right in front of us. Some of the things could be visual, and we can say that, okay, I am able to see that the footfalls in a Zudio showroom is gone up, or the West Side showroom is going up. I see a lot of crowd in D-Mart, so on and so forth. These are visual things that we can see, but beyond these limited things that you and I can visualize, there is a lot of things that happens on the economy, right? And that is where these indicators give us a picture of what's happening on the economic front.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.